metallic burgundy dream. The MDX Island Show.
She's a 2011 Acura MDX Tech, metallic burgundy gleam, black leather hugging seven. Living out the dream, rebuilt 3.7 VTEC heart, 300 horses strong and true. All-wheel drive grip locked in, ready for me and you. Heated seats smell the morning, panoramic roof wide to the sky. Paddle shift fun on the highway, watch the island miles fly by. Metallic burgundy dream, MDX Island queen. Safe, strong and luxurious, coolest ride you've ever seen. From Nanaimo to the Fino, Sprode Lake to the tide. You clueless wild surf for Cathedral grows green hide. Metallic burgundy dream, family cruiser supreme. Tow the boat, load the gear, living the island dream. Talk to Adam at Edbury Motors, Nanaimo town. Your low cam burgundy beauty's waiting. Come claim your crown. Rear screens keep the kids happy, tailgate pops with ease. Roof rails ready for kayaks, adventure in the breeze. Fog lights cut the rain, backup cam watching close. This MDX Tech package got the features we love most. Fresh tie rods, fresh alignment, brakes strong and true. Rebuilt engine purring, ready for me and you. 7 seats full of memories, comfort every mile. This burgundy Acura always makes us smile. When the ferry horn is blowing and the mountains call your name, Burgundy MDX carries you, never playing the same old game. Metallic burgundy dream, MDX forever fine. Safe, fast and practical, luxury by design. Talk to Adam right now at Edbury Motors today. Your 2011 Burgundy legends calling. Come drive away. Metallic burgundy dream, family fun and pride. Vancouver Island's waiting. Take the island wide.
Burgundy MDX. See you on the island road. Talk to Adam. Your luxury adventure's ready to load.
She's a 2011 Acura MDX Tech, metallic burgundy gleam, black leather hugging 7, living out the dream rebuilt. 3.7 VTEC heart, 300 horses strong and true, all-wheel drive grip locked in, ready for me and you. Heated seats melt the morning, panoramic roof wide to the sky, paddle shift fun on the highway, watch the island miles fly by. Metallic burgundy dream, MDX Island queen, safe, strong and luxurious, coolest ride you've ever seen. From the Nine-motor to Fino, to the tide, your clueless wild surfer cathedral grows green high. Metallic burgundy dream, family cruiser supreme, tow the boat, load the gear, living the island dream. Talk to Adam at Buried Motors, Nanaimo town. And burgundy beauty's waiting, come claim your crown. Rear screens keep the kids happy, tailgate pops with ease, roof rails ready for kayaks, adventure in the breeze. Fog lights cut the rain, backup cam watching close. This MDX Tech package got the features we love most. Fresh tie rods, fresh alignment, brakes strong and true,